Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to view Trim's money saving suggestions. Are you looking for quick ways to save money? Well, Trim does the heavy lifting by offering personalized money saving suggestions right inside the app. To access them, all you gotta do is open the Trim app and go to your dashboard. And then you're gonna tap into the Insights or Suggestions tab, of course depending on your app version. Here, Trim scans your finances and gives tailored recommendations like canceling unused subscriptions, negotiating lower cable or phone bills, as well as setting up automatic savings and reducing spendings in specific categories like dining or shopping. If you're a premium user, Trim may even offer to negotiate bills or provide deeper insights into your financial habits. Some suggestions come with action buttons. You can cancel a service or lodge a negotiation request with just a few taps. Trim's goal is simple: help you save more without changing your lifestyle too drastically. Use these suggestions regularly and watch how small changes lead to big savings. And that's it. That's how you view your money saving suggestions in Trim. Stick around for the next tip, or you can hit the like and subscribe if you found this helpful. That's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.